Hi guys, this is one of a very simple brewing method. Paano ba makagawa ng masarap na kape at the comfort of your home? And I believe makakatulong din to para sa mga startups. So let's go. This is how to French press. So you will need this one, digital scale, low cost manual grinder, or kung meron kang electric grinder, much better. You will also need electric gooseneck kettle. Kung wala ka nito, pwede rin naman yung normal kettle sa bahay. So guys, last but not the least, kailangan natin ng French press. Nalagay ko yung link sa caption. First step, kailangan lang natin i-preheat yung ating glass jar. And then, mag-grind tayo ng coffee beans. So mas okay yan kung freshly grind yung coffee beans natin. Coarse grind. So 40 grams ng coffee beans ang kailangan natin for this. So after grinding and preheating the jar, transfer lang natin yung ating grind coffee sa jar. Shake mo ng konti. Next step, magpo-pour na tayo ng hot water on our coffee grounds. So we need 18 ounces of hot water. First pouring, kailangan nating i-soak yung lahat ng coffee grounds natin. And after soaking, we will go to the process of blooming. Pag na-soak mo na lahat ng coffee grounds with hot water, wait for 40 seconds. And after 40 seconds of blooming, continue na natin pouring out yung hot water natin continuously hanggang makomplete yung 18 ounce of water. So another waiting time is 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, press down your plunge slowly like this. And yun guys, done. Meron ka ng good coffee. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng mga paraphernalia para makagawa ng masarap na kape. Pero di naman kailangan sobrang mahal ng mga paraphernalia mo or nung kape mo. So yun lang guys, so easy, 'di ba? So sana nakatulong sa inyo to. Stay caffeinated. God bless everyone.